Hello friends, welcome on this video. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 26H2. Yes, preview version. Yes, because official release is not yet done, so we are waiting for Windows 11 26H2 to be stable version, released on September or October. Let's see. But Microsoft in experimental channel, preview channel, insider preview program, they published this version of Windows 11 26H2. It's there, so we are going to install today. What makes this video today different than everybody else is because I'm going to show you every single detail. Let's see if we have any errors and every step-by-step installing on this computer that I have here. This one is supported one, and another one that I have here, unsupported PC. This is the reason why I named this video any PC. But when I say any PC, careful, I'm not saying for computers that do not support SSE 4.2 and POP-CNT. These computers with Core 2 Duo processor, Microsoft decided to put some more requirements for your processors, guys. So unfortunately, it's not for these processors that does not support SSE 4.2, but I did other video tutorials to see what happened and to see which version of Windows you have to install on your case. Click the cards here and see the video in description I cover for these kind of computers, okay? But what about newer computers that support SSE 4.2 but still not supported by Windows 11? So we are able to force it and install the latest version. I'm not suggesting you go ahead and install it and have the latest version, because this version of Windows, it's on preview channel, insider preview, experimental, guys. But if you decided to install it, let's do it together and let's see, okay? Watch before install. Okay, now first of all, let me show you my computer. You need to have here PC health check. Check and see. So here is my computer. This computer that I have, it supports everything, okay? I'm sharing this because I have a lot of comments from you guys that you wanted to know my computer parameters. But this is the main computer that I have right now, but I'm building new computer. You will see on the next video tutorials, guys, that I'm building very beautiful computer. You will see. Let's continue. If you go to Windows Update area, you will see that the Windows Insider program here. I use this computer for my work and it's very important for me. Look, I have a lot of hard drives here, guys. A lot of files, I do video editing here. I do a lot of things. Today I'm going to install this preview version right here. Let's see what it will happen. Okay, I'm not suggesting you do the same. If you like to install it, you have to back up your computer first. You try to virtual machine or something, or find another computer that it's not your main computer. But I'm going to install right away, right here, because this is the beauty of this video. You like to see in the real machine, not virtual, okay? Let me show you the version of Windows. Is here, 25H2, okay? If you set up your Windows 11 with Microsoft account, like I did it here, then you are able, guys, to enter here on Windows Insider program. If you set up your Windows 11 with local account, offline account, then you can't go and have access directly. So you have to see the second method after this. If you already set up Windows 11 with Microsoft account instead of local account, then you will be able here on Windows Update area, Windows Insider program, to get started and enter Windows Insider account, no account linked, so you have to link a Microsoft account to have access here. Click continue and link your Microsoft account with this. Review agreements, and now we are done. You will see experimental options here, advanced option, Windows 11 version 25H2. Now you can see all the updates, release preview, beta or experimental channel. I'm going to leave it as it is here and go ahead, click update. Then here you will see the version of Windows that I'm talking about, 26H2, and install directly here from Windows Update area. Let's see and check for updates. 26.300.90.32 preview feature update. Now this is the latest version, and after that, if I install this right now, you will see that I am on a 26H2 version in my supported computer. This is the easiest method, the fastest method ever, okay? But if you don't have Microsoft account, if you don't want to create Microsoft account, if you don't want to set up or sign in your Windows with Microsoft account, then skip this method and let me show you how to do this process manually right now. If you go to Microsoft website here, Microsoft Insider Preview program, you will see here the button to sign in. Now, if you have a Microsoft account, that I think that you already have, sign in here. But don't worry, I'm going to show you another method how to get this. Download Windows Insider Preview ISO. Good. Look at this link. I will put this link on my post, and if you wanted to download like this. Now, go all the way down, select edition. Look at this, guys. Build 26.300.89.35.25H2. That's the beauty. Because you are searching for 26H2 and you don't see, here it is. It's hidden here. This is the version that we need. It's experimental version build 26.300. Okay. How I know this? If you go and see here, because Windows 11 version 26H2 shares the same service branch as Windows 11 version 25H2, the update is implementing through the enablement package build 26.300. So if we go here and we find 26.300, we'll confirm here. We will choose the language. Which language do you need? Oh, careful, guys. We need here to choose the right language for your computer. If you don't want to see that gray option when you install and when you upgrade your current version of Windows, you have to download the exact language that you already have on your computer. How to see what language do I have on my computer? Let's go to Tips to Fix. Here on my blog post, you will see this command. Open up CMD, right click, and you will see this is the command. My default language is EN/US. Choose one. I'm on this one, English United States. If your computer is not in United States but is Canada, England, etc., you need this English International. Okay. Now I'm going to confirm and download. Good. This is the official way to download it, but also you can use this online software UUP dump. This is the reason why this works and we don't have any problem with this software is because they download directly from Microsoft servers. Okay, let's go here on developer channel, guys. You will see Windows 11 Insider Preview feature update 8935. This is the version 26.300. Okay, AMD. Make sure to download the AMD. Click here and choose the language that like I showed you before. Click next. I don't want Windows Home, only Windows Pro. And download and convert to ISO. Okay, create a download package. What I'm going to do, right click, extract here, the same folder, double click. You will see this CMD command here, double click. This will start downloading. Type run here, R, enter. You will see that this software will start downloading everything. This process will take maybe 30 minutes to download. Inside of this folder, you will see the setup ISO file like this one, okay? I'm going to stop this because I already have the ISO. What I'm going to do, let's right click and mount this drive. Ready? Guys, double click. Windows started. Setup will go online to get updates, drivers and everything. Change how download updates, drivers. I don't need this, not right now, okay? Click next. We are getting a few things ready, guys. Look, we couldn't update the system reserve partition. If you want to fix this error, when you try to install this upgrade, I'm going to close this before. Now watch carefully, guys. Open up CMD. Yes, you have to do this. I'm doing with CMD commands here, but if you don't want to apply CMD commands, I will show you the registry file. You just double click and done. Okay. I'm going to copy this command, mount vol space y colon space slash s. These are capitals, okay? Enter. The directory is not empty. Okay, good. And now when you type this y and colon and hit enter, if you see this access is denied, your CMD command doesn't run as administrator. What you got to do? Go to start, command prompt, run as admin. my CMD is running as administrator. It's very important. Let's do it again. Okay, let's copy this command. First, right click, paste. Now type y colon enter. Good, I'm here now. Type cd space fe, okay, backslash Microsoft, backslash boot, backslash fonts, okay. Click enter. You have to type like this: delete space asterisk dash asterisk. Enter. What I did wrong? We have to just type DAL, okay. Enter. Type capital Y. Enter. So we are done with this. This command you will find in my blog post. Go ahead and click the link in my description. Let's try to install it again. Install Windows 11. Not right now. Click next. Good. We fixed it, okay? Now you are good to go. Click accept and go ahead, upgrade your Windows. Now, what needs your attention? You are trying to install a pre-release copy of Windows. Set up flighting or select enable to let your device trust flight sign builds. When you click this enable here, we are going to restart the computer now. If we do see the same message, I'm going to turn on this flight signing on, okay? Okay, I restarted the computer. Keep personal files and apps, change what to keep. Ready to install. I want to install and keep everything installed. So you see the process started. Look at this, guys. Let's go to system now. And let's see about 26H2, guys. I installed this only to show you guys how to do it. Guys, look at this. Here on C drive, you will see Windows.old. Careful, don't delete this. The system that you had before. You have 10 days to go back. If you want to extend these 10 days to go back, before this Windows.old will be deleted automatically, okay? If you want to stay more, I did a video tutorial how to increase these 10 days. Go ahead and watch the video. Do not delete, because if you delete that folder, go back option will not be here. Now, if you are not satisfied, just click this go back and done. You can click next here. So now let me show you how to do this on my unsupported computer. So now we are ready to test and install in my unsupported PC. Okay, let's continue the video. Okay guys, we are ready on this unsupported PC. Let me show you PC health check here. So if you don't know how to get PC health check, click the link on the description and you can find on my full blog post. You can find all the tools that you need for this video. Check now. Processor is not supported. Okay, what to do? Let me try the first method. I'm here with Microsoft account, not local account. I will try to enter to Windows Insider program. To join the Insider program, turn on optional diagnostic data. Open diagnostic. Here it is. I just turn it on. Let's go back. Get started. Link an account. Here it is. I will link my account here. Continue. Go again here on Microsoft Insider program. Let's try to experimental. Restart your device to finish enrollment. Here it is. We need this, the latest version. I'm not on 26H1. It's for different kind of processors. If you already installed Windows 11 version 26H1, do not expect for 26H2 because it's completely different story. It's different processor. H2 version, 25H2, 26, 27, whatever, you will stay on this version, okay? Don't change the channel, okay? Show release preview on. Let me restart the computer and see what it will happen. Updates are available for download and I'm going to try to install it. But I'm going to try to install this Insider Preview feature update directly on this unsupported computer. Let's see if this will work, okay? I think this will stop because this computer is unsupported and needs to bypass the requirements. So this is what I think. But let's try. Let's see it till the end, okay? So guys, you see? If you see this problem, this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. Okay, now I'm going to close this, and will try to hit this button, fix the issue. So the reason why it's not installing, look at this, guys. Windows 11 update. Yeah, the processor is unsupported. Okay, now what you have to do in this case, go ahead in my website and download my bypasser. Let me show you guys. Now to fix this issue, right click here on this bypasser. This will edit your registry keys. It is the official method shown by Microsoft, but if you don't want to run cmd commands, here it is, run as administrator for sure. Okay, just click space. Now guys, let's try to fix this issue. Click this button, fix. Checking your PC, Windows Server Update, almost ready. We need a few more things. We will let you know when you are done and what to do next. This window will close in 2 minutes. Interesting, guys? I told you. Now, look at this. In 2 minutes, I'm going to close it. Now, you see the download. It will continue, and you will see that installation process. It will be done very quickly. So, in the moment when it's 100%, it will start installing. Okay. If you are not able to install, like I did this with official method, or maybe you don't have to use a Microsoft account or something, then go ahead, try the manual method. Go ahead, download that Windows Insider. I have it here because I did it before. Try to mount here. Try to set up that this is the full, in fact, the full Windows installation. If you try to do it like this, it will show that this computer is not supported. And what you gotta do, let me say, yeah, the processor isn't supported. Now, what you gotta do, you can download this bypasser on the website, right click run as administrator, here, run. You will see, or press continue, close this. Now, if you try again to install, let's see. So in my case, it said keep nothing because I already installed this, but you still need this bypasser. Okay, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to go next because if I go next, it will wipe out everything. So I will let it as it is. If your computer is still slow, I did another video tutorial show you step by step how to speed up your Windows 11. Go ahead, click that video, see, and let me know how it runs on your computer. Is it slow or is it fast? Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video tutorial. God bless you, and see you on the next video tutorial.